two,
right? Yeah.
yeah.
So day 2 of the Disney Dream Mediterranean 7-day cruise. Yeah, so far we woke up, kind of slept in a little bit, catching up on sleep. I went to Cabanas. We got the table in the back. Highly recommend it because it was on the deck. So that was great.
Yeah, a little chilly, but you could look out onto the ocean. It was beautiful.
And then we went to the gym. Kids were running around. We do need to get them checked in for the kids club, but they're actually just having fun.
Just doing their own thing, yeah.
So they're making friends. We gave our daughter a phone, so that was kind of key, so that way she can text us and meet some friends and message with them, so that was really cool.
Yeah, she's excited to have that, and so we're going to go hang out in the pool for a bit, have a couple drinks, and see where the day takes us.
Yeah. All right, so day 1 on the Disney Dream, that is the Mediterranean, that is our balcony. It is really nice, and we have our friends staying next door to us, so if you open this up, you can actually see that they've removed the barrier. And we've got like the full patio here we can kind of share, so we're looking forward to hanging out. So our first stop of the morning was Cove Cafe. This is a coffee shop located on deck 11. Great place to get your morning coffee or caffeine fix. They've got lattes, cappuccinos. They also have a full bar that they serve throughout the day. It's located in the adult only area.
And if you are a big fan of these specialty coffees, don't forget to get a loyalty card because you can use it. And after your 5th drink, your 6th is free. And don't forget to ask for those special pictures on top of your coffee. It is a little machine, so they'll add that. And it's a fun little touch. And I love the decor in this room. It has all these black and white photos of Walt, and it's just amazing. We decided to take advantage of our day at sea by getting a little bit of laundry done. There is a laundry room on almost all of the floors, but it does fill up fast. So I do recommend you try to get in here early and check back often. We finally found one that was about to end. So in order to use it, you do have to use your key card or your magic band, and you can set the timer and get it all started. And it does send a message through the app to let you know when it is about to be finished so that you can go and swap your laundry out.
And while we're in for laundry, we hung out by the pool. Definitely recommend trying to get there early because it does fill up quickly. The kids had a great time. They enjoyed the Aquaduck as well as the kind of the smaller yellow slide that they did numerous times.
We also took advantage of our day at sea by going ahead and dropping off some of our fish extender gifts. If you don't know about fish extender, this is where you sign up on your Facebook page for your particular cruise, and you'll be linked up with a number of families, and you purchase gifts for these families and you drop them off kind of secretly in these little pockets that they hang on their doors. It's so much fun. It's one of our kids' favorite things to do on the cruise. From there, we headed up to the top deck and played a little miniature golf. This is a really fun little course. You just grab your own ball and you grab a golf club and you just play your way through and just wait for people to finish. It's a great way to just kind of spend some time on your day at sea. After that, we hung out down at the pool for a little bit. We did a little bit of trivia, and then we headed back to our rooms to get ready for the show tonight and dinner.
All right, so we just got done watching Beauty and the Beast here on The Dream. Yeah, what do you think?
Oh my gosh, it was so good. It is such a great show. It is a Broadway quality show for sure.
Yeah, everything from the actors, the singing, I mean, all the props they had was just, I mean, we've seen all 3 shows now on The Dream, and I would say, yeah, this is probably my favorite.
This is my favorite too, for sure.
Yeah. So yeah, we've got formal night tonight, so we're going to go to our dinner.
Yeah, we're at Enchanted Garden tonight, so we'll show a little bit of that. And it was a day at sea, so we spent a little time at the adult pool and had a couple drinks there. We did some trivia.
Yeah.
We did not win, but we did pretty well. I mean,
yeah, not too bad.
Yeah. Yeah, so we had a great day. It was a really good, kind of day at sea, very relaxing day. So we're excited to get to Sicily tomorrow.
And while we were at the Beauty and the Beast show, our room attendant got our room ready for the night. This really was a great room. You can see they have the bunk bed that pulls down. They pull the ladder out. You still have access to the couch and then the Murphy bed that comes down. So for 2 kids, this is an ideal situation where each one gets their own bed.
So tonight's dinner was at Enchanted Garden. We did choose the late seating for this cruise because we knew we were going to be out doing some late afternoon excursions. So this restaurant really does make you feel like you're in the middle of an enchanted garden. It really is quite beautiful. The lights look like flowers. We really enjoy spending time in this restaurant.
So the Enchanted Garden has a market style menu, kind of really just fresh food, kind of inspired by the gardens of Versailles. We ended up actually getting all the appetizers and a couple of the main entrees that we really enjoyed. There was a fish one as well as the scallops one that was really good.
First, we started off with the ahi tuna and avocado tower, which was quite delicious. Then we moved on to the cucumber garden roll with julienne carrots, bell peppers, zucchini, cilantro. This was really good, really fresh, and just kind of a nice type of salad dish. Then we moved on to the North Atlantic lobster ravioli. This was pretty good. It was more like in a tomato soup. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend that one. This was the applewood smoked bacon wild mushroom tart. This one was quite delicious. And then the cream of green asparagus soup, which again was just kind of okay. Then we got the wedge salad. This was served with a Thousand Island type dressing. This was not our favorite either. Moved on to the entrees and got the pan-seared sea bass, and that was absolutely delicious, as were the caramelized sea scallops. Both of these were stunning dishes. For dessert, we had the Southern style pecan tart with bourbon caramel sauce and the warm, sticky date pudding. Both of these were amazing.
And then, even though we had the second seating, there was still plenty of entertainment on the ship. This night, we actually went to go see Jamie Raven, who was a really great magician that did one night only performance, and it was really good.
We had a great day at sea, and now we are excited to head to bed and get ready for our first port of call, which is Sicily.
See you real soon.